Hello guys, this is a memory problem, and when you try to flash iPhone, it will keep restarting and stay on recovery mode. So this problem is a very common problem for any iPhone model, especially the old ones, even though it can happen to any iPhone model. So this problem is caused by the internal storage device, which is NAND, but popularly we call it memory problem. This is NAND IC, and this IC is the storage device for the iPhone. And you know, every operation that we do on iPhone, everything we store, our videos, photo, music, the browsing, everything stored inside is our chip, and sometimes they get damaged or corrupted, and when they corrupted, sometimes normal flashing will correct the issue, but in some cases you have to remove the chip itself, reprogram it, then reinstall it back. But in some cases you will need to replace the chip completely. But before you replace the chip completely, there are some things you have to copy out from the old one, from the one that's damaged. There are some information that need to copy out. So those information was called sysconfig. Sysconfig, that is system configurations. So those information are the information which is unique to each phone. So those information have to be back up from the old one, then transfer it to the new chip, then reinstall it. And to do that, you will need some programmer, so which is NAND programmer, and we have different type of programmer, like different model, different series, different makers. So the most popular one is JCID, P15 JCID programmer, and we have I2C, we have LB2. So we have different type of programmer that can do the job. It depends on the ones you have or the ones you can afford, because they have different prices. So after I remove the chip, you see I have to clean the glue